Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 8th April 2024. In this video, let us generate finding the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames, and also we will find high liquidity zones for daily and 75 minutes time frame. And at the end of the video, we will also generate stop buffers for different income trades based on the daily ATR. Even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. Even I kept all the videos in a playlist, supply demand zone price action course. I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description. If you click the link, you will get into this page. And then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, supply demand zone top-down analysis strategy builder. So before generating, I would like to give you a few suggestions. Please follow them starting from today. Especially if you are fine-tuning any zones and if you feel there is a good order flow at a 5 minutes level, fine-tuned 5 minute zone level. Please keep those stocks in the comment section and also add our views on those particular stocks so that other members also will go through those lists. If they also fine tune exactly the same way, probably they will share their results. In case if they find any differences in their while fine tuning in their charts, probably you get a chance to discuss. And if there are any mistakes, you also get a chance to correct yourself. So please start following this. If this kind of analysis, if you are doing in our comment sections, probably your level of skills also will develop, and at the same time, you will also be helping the other members in the community, and also at the same time, you will also be improving your skills when you are interacting with or discussing with the other members, because I may not be getting time to go through each and every report I am generating. So that is the way, this is the best way you can improve your skills. So please start following this approach starting from today. Now let me generate the report starting from the yearly time frame. We know yearly time frame mostly the zones won't be listed, because currently there are no stocks near yearly demand and supply zones, but sometimes because of changes in the prices, some stocks may list. That's why we are verifying every time. So for yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly demand zone. So no stocks. So let me go back. For yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near yearly supply zone. No stocks are available. Let's go back. Changing the time frame to half yearly. Let us find the stocks near half yearly demand zone. So currently one stock is filtered which is near to the half yearly demand zone. I'll be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report and then move on to the next reports. What you need to do, just pause the video, study all the parameters. If required, using this leg in, base and leg out, you can also draw the zones on your charts as I explained in lesson 21. And after that, you can further proceed with this video. Okay, let me go back. For half yearly time frame, let us find the stocks near half yearly supply zone. Here also we identified only one stock which is near to half yearly supply zone. So I am going back. changing the time frame to quarterly. And let us find the stocks near quarterly demand zone. No stocks are available near quarterly demand zone. Let me go back. For quarterly time frame, let us find the stocks near quarterly supply zone. Only one stock is filtered which is near to the quarterly supply zone. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to monthly. And let us find the stocks near monthly demand zone. So two stocks are filtered near to the monthly demand zone. So let me go back. For monthly time frame, let us find the stocks near monthly supply zone. So these three stocks are filtered near to the monthly supply zone. I'm going back. Changing the time frame to weekly, let us find the stocks near weekly demand zone. These 8 stocks are filtered which are near to the weekly demand zone. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near weekly supply zone. These 5 stocks are filtered near to the weekly supply zone. So I'm going back, changing the time frame to daily. So entry time frame is daily. Let us find the stocks near daily demand zone. So 7 stocks are filtered. Let us identify any high liquidity demand zones from this list. Here we have one stock, Escorts. Identify the third one, Escorts, is a high liquidity demand zone and it is a fresh zone. What you need to do? You need to fine tune this zone. If you can able to find a fresh 5 minutes fine tuned zone, you can plan your trade. Otherwise, this zone will be violated. Let us check any other high liquidity zones. Here we have one more high liquidity zones. LTTS. This is a fresh zone. So here also you need to fine tune the zone till 5 minutes level. If you find fresh fine tuned 5 minute zone, you can plan your trade. That's it. We have identified 2 high liquidity daily demand zones from this list. Now let's go back. And for daily time frame, let us find the stocks near daily supply zone. So 9 stocks are filtered near to the daily supply zone. And let us identify the high liquidity zones from this list. Yeah, here we have ICICI Prudential, already tested once. So you need to fine tune the zone and you need to identify a fresh fine tuned 5 minute zone to plan your trade. Any other? No, we have only one high liquidity supply zone identified from this list. High liquidity daily supply zone. Okay, let's go back. Changing the time frame to 125 minutes and let us find the stocks near 125 minutes demand zone. These 7 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 125 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 125 minutes supply zone. So these 9 stocks are filtered. Okay. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Entry time frame is 75 minutes. Let us find the stocks near 75 minutes demand zone. So 8 stocks are filtered. So from this list, we need to identify 75 minutes high liquidity demand zones. This is peers. The peers zones we don't trade. We will ignore. Idea is a having high liquidity demand zone, already tested 3 times. Next one is Laurus Labs. Laurus Labs is having a fresh 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. If you can fine tune to 5 minutes level, and if you identify a fresh 5 minutes, fine tuned 5 minutes zone, you can plan a trade. Otherwise, zone will be violated. You have one more, Nestle India, already tested once and 3 rejections. So what you need to do, fine tune the zone and identify if there is any fresh 5 minute zone to plan our trade. And one more is there. We have SBI card is also having a high liquidity 75 minutes demand zone and a fresh zone. So you need to fine tune up to 5 minutes level. So total how many identified? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have identified 4 high liquidity demand zones from the 75 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go back. For 75 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near to the 75 minute supply zone. So total 8 stocks are filtered near to the 75 minute supply zone. Let us find any high liquidity supply zones from this list. This one is also pierced. We don't plan any trades. Yeah, here we have Dalmia Bharat. This is a high liquidity supply zone, a fresh zone, 75 minute supply zone and a fresh zone. You just need to fine tune the zone. And also observe, this is also having a high liquidity demand zone also. So that means until one of these zones violate, prices will be moving within this area. Because it is a fresh zone, you need to check the quality of the zone by fine tuning up to 5 minutes. If the quality is not good, that means if you don't find any fresh fine tuned 5 minute zone, the zone will be violated. Any other high liquidity supply zones? No. That means we identified only one high liquidity 75 minute supply zone from this list. Okay, let's go back. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes time frame, and let us find the stocks near 25 minutes demand zone. These 4 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. For 25 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 25 minutes supply zone. These 6 stocks are filtered. So let me go back. Changing the time frame to 15 minutes, and let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. So these 3 stocks are filtered near to the 15 minutes demand zone. So let us go back. For 15 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes supply zone. So these 5 stocks are filtered near to the 15 minutes supply zone. So I'm going back. Changing the time frame to 5 minutes, let us find the stocks near 15 minutes demand zone. 5 minutes demand zone. Near 5 minutes demand zone. So these 4 stocks are near 5 minutes demand zone. So I'm going back. For 5 minutes time frame, let us find the stocks near 5 minutes supply zone. So these 8 stocks are near 5 minutes supply zone. So this is about the stocks near demand and supply zones for all the time frames. Now we are going to generate the last report, that is stop buffers for all the time frames. I mean all the income trades, 4 income trades. So we are generating stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this is the daily ATR, and we have calculated 15% daily ATR, 10% daily ATR, 5% daily ATR and 3% daily ATR. You know how to use them. We already learned in our training course. I think in lesson 19 you learned, if I am not wrong. So first 17 in this list are indices. Remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. I keep on scrolling this list down. You just need to pause the video when you want to refer any particular stock. So this is the complete list. Hope this information will be helpful to you for our further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.